solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita, eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra.
Para que no se... I'm currently in Punta Cana, as y'all see by the title. This will be a Punta Cana travel vlog. It's gonna be different because we already did the resort vibes and all that.
Mi tristeza.
Hola. Some breakfast. I don't know. I'm gonna get some Dominican breakfast. The sun is beaming. Jesus. Today we're doing dinner in the sky. I can't wait. My mommy, I miss her, and she loves the beach. The food was just not it, so just now I was like, we're not doing that. We're just gonna stay in an Airbnb and experience the locals and experience, you know, local vibes and authentic Dominican food. And I'm definitely gonna try the KFC. I saw it on our way here. It's like downtown Punta Cana, so yeah, we definitely gonna try the KFC. On our way here, we stopped to get money, to change money, because I asked the host, do she think it's best to change money at the airport or on our way here? She said here because we'll get the best rate, so the airport be robbing. But I think we know that by now. Y'all, as I stepped off the damn plane, I felt that DR heat as I stepped off the plane. It's currently 3:27. So yeah, I'm about to give y'all this Airbnb tour and then we're gonna get us something to eat. Okay, so this is the entry door. Over here is the kitchen. Not a master chef, nice set. Utensils here. And then we got the microwave, the fridge, and the washing machine right here. We don't have a dryer, unfortunately. But that's cool. We just put it outside till it's dry. I'm used to that. And then we have this right here. This phone, I think this turn on. This is temperature to turn on the AC. This is the living room area. Couch. Got a TV in here also. This is a balcony. I got some construction going on over there, but we're gonna focus on this view. This is a nice view right here. But this is the living room and kitchen from this angle. Nice and cute, like I said. And then show you the bedroom. This is the bedroom. And it also has a TV. And then we have closet with the iron board and a safety box, iron. And this is the bathroom. This bathroom is so cute. Really cute. Real cute. I like it. And I think we'll open that window. I hope we can open that window. And this is so cute. This little cute little decorations right here is real cute. So we're on our way to the mall right now to get some food, and then we're gonna go to the supermarket after to get some little necessities that we need. I love this residential area. Like, it's so cute. The good thing about this Airbnb apartment building is that it has an elevator and it has AC in the elevator. Like, what? It is so hot. We gotta find some food. I don't want no pizza. Or none of that.
el más rap. Una loca, 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 una loca.
My food.
Quiero una que quiere bailar, una loca. Quiero una pa' perrear, una loca.
Oh my god. I love me a good chicken burger.
Pa' perrear, una loca, una loca, una loca, una loca, una loca.
What do you think we need? Take out one pot. No. This way for them. Or they think it's only this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when the bill comes. He said he gonna hold what? No,
Te la guardo. Te la guardo. Pero te trata.
oh, you leaving your food? How much is that? Pero te comida. Oh. Oh, you gonna take it out?
También vive distintas personalidades de distintas partes del mundo. Vienen personas de todo, que viven aquí en esta zona.
Sigo complaciendo a nivel de salsa, hombre, la salsa que tú me pidas.
También viven personas de diferentes partes del mundo.
Hey y'all, so it's day 2 in Punta Cana and we're about to head out. We're about to go to a beach club. We're about to go to a beach club that the host of the Airbnb suggested to us. We was gonna go to another one called the Pearl or something like that, but the reviews for the food wasn't really good. So yeah, so we're about to go to another one that the host recommended to us. My outfit, I have on this black dress from Fashion Nova. These sandals from Fashion Nova also. This bag, this is from Forever 21. It's currently 2:39, July 7th. So today's Sunday. Yeah, so we're gonna go chill, a nice little beach vibe. I'm just gonna pack my essentials that I need right now. So yeah, as y'all see, I changed my hair. I installed my curly wig. I definitely brought it. It looks cute. I was like, cause the bob definitely was not what I was gonna wear here. That was just to come. Less hassle. But yeah, changed the hair, so this curly is giving beach vibe. My perfume, Good Girl, Carolina Herrera. I also brought my travel size Jimmy Choo, and this is a new one from Victor Ralph called Victor and Ralph called Flora Bomb. I haven't used this one before, but it smells good. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna use Carolina though, because Carolina smells too good. Carolina smells real good. So we're gonna use Carolina. Smell. Woo, woo. Yes. Don't matter. Eat first. We ordered some food. We went for food. I'm sitting up properly. My legs hurt. But yeah, we ordered some food and we went for food right now. So this beach club is basically like you pay to get in, and whatever amount you pay is like credit for your food, basically. So you can't exceed the amount that you paid for. And if you do, you can. But if you do, you have to pay more.
Todos están pendientes a ti, pero tú puesta pa' mí, haciendo que me odien más, porque todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que no te dejas llevar de cualquiera, y todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que hoy yo te voy a buscar. Dile que tú eres mía.
We're about to go get. We're about to leave because we're about to go to this other restaurant to get some like what I want. I'm fried fish and some like tostones and some avocado or something like. That's what I want. I don't want like they got like pizza here and burgers and they don't have like what I want. So we're gonna go to this other restaurant. But yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah, y'all saw my drink. It's like pretty. It's alright. It's not that bad, but I need something stronger and I need some food. I need some like real food, yeah. Cause I need some real Dominican food. Like this beach club is not it. It's really not. So we're gonna get some food. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the other restaurant. Yeah, but the wind, it's a nice little postcard picture. What y'all think? Cute little postcard. Listen, this wig is not. It's not a 360 wig and it's not secured, okay? So, but it's secured enough. Cause y'all see it blowing. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere.
Que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía.
Put the lime on your first, right? Don't worry, I'm about to bust it down. Wait, did I record this on my make me sound, please? Oh, it looks so good. That's what the hell I wanted, like. I've been walking all over DR looking for this. Crazy. Okay, y'all, let's taste this fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what the hell I wanted. hot. This food is good. If they play some reggae, they're gonna know Jamaican is up in here, alright? I promise y'all. Yep. Yep. They're going up here. Yep.
Quiero esta noche entera para recordar los tiempos en la escalera. Dile que yo no soy cualquiera, yo soy tu primero, tú eres mi primera. Todos te quieren probar, lo que no saben es que no te dejas llevar de cualquiera y todos te quieren probar.
Hey y'all, it's day 3, but we about to go get some food. I really don't want this vlog to be the fact that we're just eating, but the Airbnb that we're staying in, this host is just messing up our plans and it's pissing me off. So we're leaving this Airbnb in a couple hours, like literally today, to go to another Airbnb. Yeah, but right now we're about to go get some food and then we come back and we leave. The good thing is these Airbnbs is really cheap out here, like OD. OD cheap, cheaper than the stay at the resort, for real. So that's a good thing. That's the only good thing about switching Airbnbs mid-trip. And then the Ubers are also super cheap. It's like between $5 to $7. It depends on how far you're going. But so far, we haven't paid. What's the most we paid for Uber?
$6.
Yeah, $6.
$8.
And that's, I mean, US. 6 US, 8 US. That's the most we paid so far. So that's, like I said, things are out here really cheap. So that's a good thing. We're walking to the main street right now. The sun is hot. Sis got her fan back there, but motorcycles are definitely a transportation over here. Definitely. Definitely is. And then I see they have
taxis for everything.
Them little, yeah. They got motorcycles for taxis and, you know. We're walking to the main street and then we're going to take the Uber from there. They have a lot of motorcycle taxis out here. But we don't need a taxi. We're going to take an Uber. Because that's what we know is safe. We're going to take an Uber. And that's that. But we just got to the main road, so yeah. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see y'all when we get to where we going. Y'all hear all that? Bare motorcycles. Ooh, we gotta cross. How we gonna cross? I should zoomed in right now. Ooh, we're gonna get us a coconut. No, it's okay. This is not big. Woo. You want a picture?
Yeah. Coconut?
They look like that. Oh, this coconut is mad big. But it's refreshing. How much was it? Y'all, this was 200 pesos, which is like $3 US. So it's pretty cheap. But we just got something to drink on the side of the street. We're about to go get some food now. Because that walk was real Dominican food. Because that walk was a bit much. So we just got a drink. And we've been somewhere from like the other day, but we was in an Uber, so we couldn't stop. But we could have, but it was nighttime, so we didn't stop. I really want this jelly though. I want a jelly inside. You know, I don't understand what is going on with the what's called the street system in DR, because the traffic is ridiculous. Like it took us like 15 minutes across the street.
No, like 20 minutes.
Literally, she's right. It was right there. There's no lights. There's no stop signs. There's nothing. I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on? And like I said, the motorcycles and like different types of taxis and buses and cars and whatever else, they're just going. They're not stopping for nobody. Maybe in the wrong side of the country. I don't know. Like since it's a tourist side, they should have that stuff. The stones are really pretty, you know. Yeah, I'm saying. No, you tell me anywhere. You the one that was there like, oh, is it real? Gracias.
Then one day.